Everybody, Daniel here. We have completed the move. So we are now in subtropical New South Wales. You can see there's fernery behind me, frangipanis and fruit trees, and lovely warm weather. A lot more suited for biogas to make it maintaining the digester a bit easier. We don't need those heaters anymore. So, like saying, we are up here now. We've got to get everything set up. So from this video, we're just going to have a look around at my new area of setup, and the next video should be starting the digester from scratch. So the first one we're doing is the inoculation with the cow manure, and then we'll start our new series with the smaller digester doing the grass inoculation. So for this one, we need to go in and start having a look at what I've got. So previously, I was just some dude in a shed with a couple of tubs, but now I don't have a shed. What I do have is an undercover area of the carport. So now I'm some dude with some plastic tubs, under a carport. I don't know. So first off, I think we're going to have to name this area. We'll have a look around, and then we'll come up with a few ideas, and you can leave them down in the comments section, and we'll pick the best one. So, tucked under the carport here. It's not quite set up just yet. I am still in the process of getting it all set up, but I think I've got everything where I want it. So, remember my trusty old sink. I just plop everything straight in there, and I used to have a bucket of water to tip everything there. But I've got a water tank over there, and I've actually hooked it up. Because it's gravity fed, at the moment it's not too great, but I do have a pump if I need to, and power there. So moving along, our big digester, 1,000 litres, and our stirring stick, and our smaller digester, so that's going to be the grass-fed one. And I even got a little shelf for the scrubbers, and down the back here, the last people that lived here left this here, so that might actually come in handy in winter for like a month maybe. So, but this I'm going to clear off, and we're going to put our gas bag there. So we'll run our gas lines from the scrubber up, and we'll store it here because it's already sort of quite sturdy. I might put some carpet down there. I don't want anything nicking the bag. And then from there we can run the compressor and whatever we need from there. And here, I was thinking, so this is our biogas hot water shower from Teenwin. Mr. Orchid here might have to move away. I might actually stick that right there and then have an outdoor shower. I can drain it all here. Or I might look into actually utilising that, hooking up to a thermostat, running the pipe back into that, having tubing inside, and just a self-circulating system. So when the thermostat says, hey, the water in here is too cold, that kicks on and then uses the gas, the biogas, to circulate itself, so it's self-sufficient there. But that is down the track, we'll look at that. Anyway, so that's the workspace. Now, to come up with a name for it, I'm thinking maybe, I don't know, Bio Lair or the Bio Cave. Something. If you've got a better suggestion, let me know, and then we'll probably put a sign up the top here. And yeah, so leave a comment, see if it gets many likes or if I like it, and then we'll get it sorted. So I've spoken about this before in my how to start digesters and that video about temperature ranges and stuff like that, and how biodigesters react to different temperatures. So up here in the subtropics, it's summertime now, so we're looking at maybe 20 degrees at night, up to 30 something degrees during the day, so there's less range that the temperature fluctuates. So that's great for the digester because the bacteria in there doesn't like sharp fluctuations. And also up here I can pursue my other love of fruit trees and tropical fruit trees, just feature trees in general, I guess. So look, I don't know if you're into that sort of thing, but I do have quite a lot of trees here. So as we only just sort of moved here, my plants are getting ready to be planted. So I have a lot of pots. So I've got bananas, sapotes, tamarillos, guavas, there's durians in there, canistels, rose apples, coffee, there's dragon fruits I've planted around, assortment of citrus. So yeah, jackfruits, soursops. I just hope coconuts will grow here. So a few of the things won't grow, so I've still got a grow tent for that. So that might be something else to look at as well. But bring you back over here. Spoiler alert, I'm going to stop doing this video and start on the actual starting up video, because I have got some poo and I need to start filling that tank so I can get it all up and ready for you, and then go step by step and hopefully help some people. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. As remember, let's get a name up there for that place. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you next time. Stay tuned.